calls for multiples of 8. So that means you'll chain up 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 until you reach your desired width. So what you're going to do is a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I need to see where I'm doing this. Okay. In the 4th chain from the hook. Then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do another crochet, double crochet in that same chain. You're going to chain 3. You're going to skip 3 chains. And then you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 3 chains. Oh, sorry, skip 3 chains, and then you're going to do your little V-stitch. So a double crochet, okay, chain 1, and then double crochet in that same chain. Then again, you're going to chain 3, and then skip 3 chains and do a single crochet. And then you're just going to continue on until the end. Okay, so towards the end, your last stitch should be the V-stitch. So then you're going to chain 3. And then skip the 3 chains, and in the last chain, you're going to do a single crochet. Which I don't know why I yarned over, but okay, let me see, single crochet. Okay, so row number 2, you're going to chain 5. Then you're going to do a single crochet in this chain 3 space. Then you're going to chain 3 and do a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Then you're going to chain 4 and do a single crochet in this chain 3 space. Chain 3, single crochet in the next, and continue. So basically, over the V's, you're going to do 3 chains, and over the single crochets, you're going to do 4 chains. Okay, continue that. So once you are almost at the end, you're going to chain your 3 chains. You're going to do a single crochet here in this space. Then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do a double crochet in this turning somewhere around here. Where the, okay, there it is. Like that. Looks weird now, but once you make more rows, do more rows, then it will look normal. It does look strange. Okay. So row number 3, we're going to chain up 3. And then this chain 2 space right here, you're going to do 4 double crochets. Double crochets. Then you're going to go into this next chain 3 space right here. You're going to do a single crochet. And then the chain 3, oh, this is a chain 4 space. So no, chain 3. So in this chain 4 space, you're going to do 9 double crochets. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this chain 4 space, chain 3 space, sorry, keep getting those messed up. Do a single crochet, and then you're going to do another 9 crochets in the chain 4 space, and then a single crochet in the chain 3 space, 9 double crochets in the chain 4 space, and so forth. Okay, so once you're at the end, you're going to do your last single crochet, the chain 3 space. Then here on this space right here, this one right here, you're going to do 5 double crochets. Well, you're going to do 4. You do 4 double crochets in this space. And then the 5th one, make sure to do it in the turning chain right here. So that way it looks, you know, straight. Okay, so that is row number 3. Okay, so row number 4, you're going to chain 1. You're going to do a single crochet right here in this first space. Oh, that was out of focus, it's me. Do a single crochet in the next double on top of this double crochet. You're going to chain 5. Then you're going to skip, is it 3? So it's 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do a single crochet, and then single crochet in the next, and then single crochet in the next double crochet. So you should have 3 double crochets on each side. I'm going to chain 5. And then you're going to do it again. So skip 1, 2, 3, and then do your 3 single crochets together. Not together, in a row. So then again, you would chain 5, skip 3, do your 3 single crochets, and then chain 5 and jump on the next, what is it called? Cluster of double crochets, yes. And then do your 3 single crochets. And that would be for the whole, that's row number, yeah, that'd be for the entire row. So it's number 3. So here when you're at the end, you're going to chain 5. So here you're going to skip all these double crochets. You're going to do this one. You're going to skip 1, 2, 3 on the 4th. Do your single crochet. And then do your single crochet on top of this turning chain 3. That. Okay, so that's row number 4. So row number 5, to chain 3. And then in that same stitch right here in this first one, you're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. And in this space, chain 5 space, do a single crochet, chain 3. Then you're going to do a double crochet. Well, actually, you're going to do a little V-stitch in the middle of these single crochets. Do a little V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in this next space, chain 3, and do your double crochet, your V-stitch actually in the middle of these, of the single crochets. Chain 3, and single crochet. So here at the end, you're going to chain, oh, this is different, okay. Oh, no, it's okay. So you're going to chain the 3, and then in the single crochet right here, you're going to do 2 double crochets in that same stitch. And that is row number 5. Okay, so row number 6, going to chain 3, and then right here in this chain 3 space, you're going to do a single crochet, and you're going to chain 4, and then this next space right here, you're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So this is the same as row number 2. It just begins and ends differently. But it's really the same because you're going to do your 4 chains where the single crochet is right here, and you do your 3 chains where your V-stitch is. So it's the same as row 2. Just that row 2 starts with 5 chains and ends with a double crochet, and this one's different. So again, you're on your top V-stitch, do your chain 3 and then single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, and then you're going to do a chain 1, and then you're going to do a half double crochet on the top of the turning chain. You're going to do a half. So that's why it's different, but the same as row 2. Okay, so that's row 6. Now row 7 is the same as row 3, but you actually chain 1. Then you're going to do a single crochet right there in this first stitch right here. Then you're going to jump here to this chain 4 space, and that's where you're going to do your 9 double crochets. Then you're going to do a single crochet on top of this one on this chain 3 space. Then 9 double crochets in the chain 4 space, a single crochet in the chain 3 space, and 9 double crochets in the chain 4 space. Okay, so once you're at the end, then you're just going to single crochet on top of this turning chain. Okay, crochet. So that is row number 7, which again is the same as 3, just starts, you know, the way it ends and begins is different. So now row number 8 is going to be almost the same as number 6 and 2, or 2 and, yeah. Okay, so number 8, you're going to chain 5. Then you're going to jump. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do your 3 single crochets. You're going to, oh, you're not going to do it. Yeah, no, you're going to chain 5. And then again, 1, 2, 3, your 3 single crochets in a row. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, your 3 single crochets together. And that's it. That's it for row number 8. So once you're at the end, then you're just going to chain 2, And then you're going to do a double crochet on top of the single crochet. Like that. So that is row number 8. So now row number 9, which is the same as row number 5. Again, it just begins and ends differently. So you're going to chain. No, you're going to, let me see, you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to do your V-stitch in the middle of your single crochets. There, V-stitch, chain 3. You're going to do a single crochet in this chain 5 space, chain 3, V-stitch in the middle of the single crochet, chain 3, and your single crochet in the chain 5 space. Okay, so coming up at the end, you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to do a single crochet, more or less, if you find the 3rd chain from the chain 5 of the chain 5 below, and that's row number 9. So then again, you will start with number 2, row number 2. What am I doing? Oh yeah, number 2. Kind of weird how it does this at the bottom. Anyway, okay, so that's the row from 2 to 9. But again, if you see, they're similar. So row 2 and 6. Row 2 and 6 are the same. They just end and begin and end differently. Rows 3 and 7 are the same. They just, begin and end differently. And then row 5 is the same as row 9. They just, again, begin and differently, but it's the same. So yeah, that's the pattern. So again, you just start with number 2. And then again, do your single crochet in this chain 3 space. Then you're going to do 3 double crochets because there's a V right there. Single crochet, and you do your 4 double crochets because there's a single crochet here. And then do chain 3, single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet, and like that. So that's it. That is the pattern. It's usually, this pattern is kind of, the patterns that I choose are, 2 or 3 or 4 repeat, but this is a 9 row repeat. But when I looked at it and I started to crochet, I realized that yes, there's 9 rows, but it's the same. It's just the way they end. The beginning and the way they end. So yeah. But anyway, it's a nice open pattern. Probably blanket would be nice. So yeah, that's the pattern. So I think that covered everything. So yeah, please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.